KARBONN Aura, and let me show you how to enable your portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the apps icon. Here let's find and select settings. Let's here choose the more under wireless and networks, choose touchscreen and portable hotspot, and let's enable the portable Wi-Fi hotspot by using the following switcher. Alright, so now you can also tap Wi-Fi hotspot settings and user management, and here you can configure the hotspot by tapping setup Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can change the network name, security type, password, AP band, Wi-Fi channel, the max connection allowed and other stuff. If you change something, tap save, if not, choose cancel. Here you can also read the connected users and blocked users. You can, for example, also choose the control mode of the hotspot, and you can keep Wi-Fi hotspot for exact period of time. Let me tap cancel and let me disable the hotspot by using that switcher, and basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.